We're going to start with the red sawdust. One handful at a time. Note the smoke coming from my right. Continue feeding one handful . And more smoke. Putting a bit more material in now, try and build up some pressure to push the briquette through. Still feeding a small amount in at a time. The briquette still hasn't formed properly. Following the instructions, feed it gradually, but a bit more this time. Trying to build up the volume to give it some pressure. Still very small amount. Now the briquette starts to come out and it's all smoking. It's moving very slowly. Put a bit more in, increase the volume to try and make the briquette move a bit faster. Spend a bit less time in the heat. Still only a small amount though, not filling the hopper. That's the last of the red wood. Now move on to the oak, see if there's a change. You can see the briquette is now extruded. The whole length is on fire, it's smoking. Putting the rest of the oak in. It's moving out very slowly, but as it builds up, it presses, it starts to come through. You can see it moving very slowly in real time. There's a sudden spurt as it pushes through with the oak behind it. Now we'll try the mixture, see if that has a different effect. Lots of smoke now. If we look at the briquette, you can see that it's come out and split. Now the smoke is coming through the hole in the middle of the briquette. That's the last of the third sample. Still only a small amount in the hopper. What we see now is the briquette pretty much jammed in the ejector. It's not moving. The material is just feeding around the screw and bouncing back. Smoke is increasing. Now very close to a fire. If you look in the center, you can see the dust, which is the material being ejected through the hole in the center of the briquette, while the outside of the briquette is jammed solid and turning to charcoal. And we see the material won't move